Hey Odoo enthusiast, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about what are menu in Odoo. In Odoo, menu are the navigation element that allows the users to access different modules, its functionalities, and views. And menu help to structure the interface by navigating into various features of a module. So we have three types of menu available in Odoo. That is the main menu, or also known as the top level menu, that displays the primary module like sales, purchase, inventory, or it can be also your custom module. And that will be found under the top navigation bar. Next is the submenu, is also known as the secondary menu. So this will be found under the main menu when the main menu is clicked. For example, as you just navigate into the sales module, you can find different menus like to invoice, product, reporting, configuration. And final one is the action menu. So the action menu is basically found under the submenu that contains specific views or actions. For example, under orders, you might see quotations, then we have the customers and invoices. The menus are basically defined in XML file, which will be located in viewer directory that will be linked to your module with an action to open the view. So once a menu is created, the menu should load last in the manifest file. This is because when you just load the menu file first, that might cause some error as some of the dependencies or other configuration is missing. Now we know when a menu is created, the menu will be linked to an action that opens a model. So we also just need to grant the access right in order to open the model. So if we don't provide the access right for a particular user, then the menu will be hidden from the top menu list. So that's how we just set the menu in Odoo, and in the next video I'll be showing how to create the menu and what are menus, how we are defining all those in Odoo. So if you found this video informative, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want Odoo customization and Odoo implementation, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So see you in next one.